this is my bike check. And fuck, there's a car.
Shit, my left hand is good at snapping. Fine.
It's filming.
Getting microphone in. Okay, go.
Okay, and no, I fucked that one over too.
You didn't even say
In,
anything.
focus. Sound. Speed.
Hello guys, this is my bike check. Unorthodox. So I got some
Greasy
ODI
hair.
soft compound grips. So I got some
Greasy
ODI
hair.
soft compound grips. I got some ODI
Greasy hair.
soft compound grips. I got some ODI
Greasy hair.
soft compound grips. And Salt Plus bars, 8.7.5 rise. Salt Plus stem, top load, and Band for Life top cap. And Kink headset. And I got G-Sport Simulan front hub laced to G-Sport roll cage. Cut it. And for pegs I got just Blue Salt Plus and McNeil pegs. McNeil with plastic sleeve. Slide really nice, and my cranks I got fuck.
What kind of cranks are they, bud?
Fuck.
Look at the fucking shadow on the back.
Oh, yo, I'll call up David right now and ask him. Yo, the fucking cranks is okay.
Okay, shut the fuck up.
Yo, what are they called? Oh, alright, thanks. It's called the fucking strip and you hurt the off.
Oh, great. Fucking great. Dude, zoom in on the meathead and the teeth.
Oh, you're fucking cool.
Hello, Connor. Fuck off. Salt Plus bottom bracket, Shadow Orbis cranks, black $1 million sprocket, KMC chain, and Merit P1s pedals, and Shadow seat, and I got a. Let's cut this fuck down.
No shit. Okay, shadow seat. What next?
You're gonna edit the fuck out of this, right?
Callum, re-say shadow seat, and then keep going.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I got a shadow seat and my back wheel. I got Odyssey clutch to G-Sport rib cage and Odyssey stainless steel spokes, and the hub guard that comes with the hub, the clutch, and I got Merit gums. That's my bike.
What cranks, you retard? Didn't say those.
I fucking already did, you dumb fuck.
What are they calling?
Shadow Orbis, I
You
said
didn't
it.
say that.
I did say it, fuck off!
I'm sure you did it. I didn't hear it.
I
Get
did
them
say
clips
it.
now. Woohoo!